ready to turn your everyday online searches into awesome Roblox goodies. First, head over to the Microsoft Rewards website. You can quickly find it by searching Microsoft Rewards on Bing. Make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account, the one where you've been racking up those points. Next, browse the redemption options until you spot the glorious Roblox gift card. It usually shows the amount of Robux you'll get and the point cost. Click on it. Double check the details. Make sure it's the amount you want. And then hit that redeem button. You might need to verify your account, so follow any on-screen prompts. Boom, your Roblox gift card code is ready. Copy that code carefully. Now jump over to the Roblox website and log into your account. Navigate to the Robux page. Usually, you'll find a redeem Roblox card option. Paste your code into the box and hit redeem. Follow any instructions to complete the process and add those Robux to your account. And that's it. Go ahead and spend your Robux on awesome new items or experiences in Roblox. All thanks to Microsoft Rewards. Have fun!